Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be doing a product overview and review of the Ninebot Segway E45E electric scooter. This scooter offers increased power, increased battery life and increased durability due to its additional battery and impressive design, which we will cover in this video. To be honest, unboxing and assembling the scooter wasn't the easiest. The additional battery makes the scooter a bit heavier than other Ninebot scooters, so it was a bit trickier to get up and assembled, and the scooter handlebars came separately, so had to be screwed on. Despite this, the scooter was still up and ready to go within 10 minutes, so overall wasn't too difficult. The design on this scooter is a little unusual as the battery is on the bar, but this allows the foot pad to sit a little higher so you can ride on bumpier surfaces without worrying about scraping the bottom, adding to the durability of the scooter. And it comes in a sleek grey colour. The scooter has lovely ambient lighting under the foot pad, which can be customised through the Segway Ninebot app, which is nice as it allows you to have your own personal touch. It also has an LED dashboard that displays information on driving mode, speed, battery life and Bluetooth connectivity, so it's really easy to view riding stats. The battery life on this scooter is pretty impressive. It has a capacity of 368 watt hours and a max charge time of just 7.5 hours, which will take you an impressive 45 kilometers. This means you barely have to worry about charging up the scooter, as its longer battery life can have it up and ready to go for whenever you need it. This scooter combines comfort with minimal upkeep. It has innovative 9-inch dual density flat-free tyres that require no maintenance and are also shock absorbent at the front. It also has an extended mudguard and is water resistant, which was great as I felt a lot more relaxed taking the scooter out, knowing it will hold up in a range of weather conditions. There are 3 riding modes on this scooter. You can ride it Eco mode, which has a max speed of 20 kilometers per hour and gives further increased battery life up to 45 kilometers. It also has Standard mode, which has a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, or you can change it to Sports mode, which can handle a climbing angle of 20%, which is pretty impressive for an electric scooter. The scooter also has cruise control, so you can set it to a steady speed that's comfortable for you. The scooter has a triple brake system consisting of an electronic and regenerative front brake, foot brake and magnetic brake to give you stable braking. It also has a parking brake which tucks nicely underneath. In terms of safety, this scooter has a press bell so you can always be heard. It also has front, side and rear E-Mark certified reflectors, as well as a headlight, tail light and brake light to ensure you can always be seen as well. This scooter has an easy and quick folding mechanism, so it takes just one click to fold and go, as well as open. Although the weight did make portability a little difficult, the one-click mechanism helped to get it ready to pop open or close away whenever needed. Overall, this scooter is packed with awesome features that give it speed, power and range without compromising on safety features or comfort. It's perfect for those who need a little bit more out of their scooter than the basic functions. Thanks for watching our review of the Segway Ninebot E45E scooter. We hope you've enjoyed it. If so, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. What do you guys think of the product? Make sure to let us know below and leave any questions you might have, and we'll be happy to get back to you. We've also included the link to buy below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.